Today, I'm thrilled to create a stunning beach sunset painting. I'm eager to get started. For this artwork, I've selected a vibrant palette featuring cobalt blue, light purple, light pink, medium yellow, titanium white, and red. Hello all beautiful artists. My name is Ria and you are watching Art Glean. As you can see, I'm starting with light colors, specifically titanium white and medium yellow. Next, I'll blend in touches of red to add warmth. Then softly merge light pink and light purple for subtle, gradient colors. Gradually building up to the deepest tones. Finally, I'll integrate cobalt blue to enhance the depth and richness of the sunset. Note, I'm using Camel and Montmartre acrylic paints, but feel free to use your preferred acrylic brand. My canvas size is 8x10 inch and I'm using number 6 dagger brush. This brush is perfect for blending colors seamlessly and creating a stunning, gradient-colored sky background. If you notice your paint drying quickly during this process, simply add a small amount of water to maintain the desired consistency. Feel free to experiment and adjust your palette as needed. If you require additional colors to achieve your desired effect, don't hesitate to add them. Continue refining your artwork until you are satisfied with the result. Now, let's add vibrant clouds to enhance our painting's beauty. Step 1. Cloud shadows, darkest parts. Begin by mixing cobalt blue and light purple to create the deepest tones of our clouds, representing the shadows. So first I will paint all cloud shadows. You can switch your color from blue to purple anytime for creating variations in cloud. Step 2. Midtones. Now, I'm adding red, the mid color, to capture the warm, sunset hue that clouds display as they reflect the reddish tones of the setting sun. Now, I'll carefully add this color blend to the cloud we painted earlier. Step 3. Highlights. Blending yellow to represent the highlights, recreating the effect of sunlight shining brightly on the clouds. Keep painting and be patient. Your clouds will become even more stunning once all the colors are in place. Step by step, I'll bring each cloud to life, progressing from darkest shades to lightest highlights. To further enhance the highlight effect, I've added titanium white to the yellow and red. This makes the clouds truly pop, right? Now, let's add the sun. I'll mix titanium white and yellow to create a bright effect that shines brightly, illuminating our beautiful landscape. Now, let's paint the ocean. I'll use masking tape to protect the top part and create a straight horizon line. For this water painting, I've chosen titanium white, yellow, red, burnt sienna, and Prussian blue. Same for water, I started with light color and then gradually mixing all the darker color. In the central region of the water, I'll apply a subtle mixture of yellow, red, and burnt sienna to create a soft, sunlit effect, carefully avoiding blue hues to ensure a realistic reflection. Also guys, please let me know which one is your favorite beach painting or mountain painting. Please comment below. Again, adding yellow and burnt sienna to the center to maintain warmth and bright. I don't want blues to come in the middle of our water, so blend it carefully. Now, let's add waves using Prussian blue. To achieve realism, I'll paint each wave individually, wave after wave, layering each one for depth and dimension. Now, I'll capture the sun's sparkle on the water by adding warm highlights with a blend of white and yellow color. Next, let's add white water foam to each wave's crest using a titanium white and blue color mix. Finally, I will add some highlight with white color. Don't skip this step. This will create some extra realism. Hope you enjoyed this painting video with step-by-step commentary. Let me know what you thought of this painting video in the comments. Subscribe my channel, I will introduce more such video like this. Let's remove all the masking tape one by one. And our painting is ready. Share this video with your friends. Let's paint together next time. You can watch my other painting video, click here.